Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Welcome to another episode of Easy Recipes, where I show you how to make a simple recipe your whole family will love. Today I'm making the best pancake recipe with a secret ingredient. This has become my go-to pancake recipe. My whole family loves it, but it's a little bit unusual because it has one uncommon ingredient, but that secret ingredient makes all the difference. These pancakes have amazing texture and flavor. So what's the secret to amazing pancakes? Sour cream. I know it sounds a little strange, but hear me out. The sour cream is the key to getting the perfect pancake consistency. The outside is butter crisp and the inside is so soft it's almost a creamy consistency. So let's get started and make some great pancakes. We'll start with the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of milk, half a cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of sugar. So you might be thinking, won't these pancakes taste a little sour or tangy because of the sour cream? Well, the answer is no, because this recipe has more sugar than most other recipes to balance out the flavors. Most recipes call for 2 tablespoons of sugar. This pancake recipe calls for 1/4 cup. So the pancakes actually end up tasting a little bit sweeter than most. Add 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and whisk until it's well combined. Now that we've got our wet ingredients mixed together, we're going to add our dry ingredients. And this is a 1 bowl recipe, so we're just going to add the dry ingredients on top of the wet ingredients. Add 1½ cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Stir this until it's just combined. This is going to be a very lumpy batter. Melt half a tablespoon of butter in a large skillet over medium to medium-low heat. When the butter is lightly bubbling, add the pancake batter about 1/4 cup at a time. When little bubbles start to form in the top of the pancake, it's time to flip them over. The bottom should be lightly browned. I usually cook them 3 to 4 minutes on the first side and 1 to 2 minutes on the second side. I think you know you have a really good pancake recipe when you don't need to add any maple syrup or other toppings to the pancakes and they still taste amazing. Now don't get me wrong, I'm going to add maple syrup to my pancakes. I'm just saying they're really good. These pancakes have become one of my favorite breakfast treats to make on weekend mornings. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. Be sure to follow me for more great, easy recipes. Thanks for watching.